So why is it that you see or believe that people are experiencing more stress and more chronic disease now than ever before?
Yeah, I think that's such a great question. Like that inquiry can lead to a lot of knowledge and wisdom and making sure that you have the tools and resources to lead the life that you want. So this practice helps you to lead healthy, vibrant, happy, and fulfilling life. And that's the skill set that we want. So if we're not healthy, energized, and feeling good in our bodies, what can we do? If we're feeling stressed, anxious, depressed, how do we shift and transform emotional energy back into joy, happiness, and inner peace? If your mind is turbulent and the thoughts going on in your head are stressful, how do we switch and shift that? Because energy can be transformed from one state to another. Now, mental emotional stress has dramatic impact on your body. What is stress? In essence, stress is a response in your nervous system that you are in danger. So we have a hyperactive stress response because it'll get kicked off whether you're sitting in traffic or facing a grizzly bear. Now, what's really important is to realize whether you are in traffic and you're in a life-threatening situation or not. If you're not in a life-threatening situation, your stress response is overactive and that we need to calm it down because it's not serving you. So how do we calm down stress? Lots of different techniques. We want to transform that stress back into vital life force energy. Yes, if you're facing a grizzly bear, you want to go into stress response. You want to be able to fight or flee and have all that energy in your muscles and be ready to go. But 95 to 98% of the time, stress response isn't serving you. So what we want to be able to do is be better managers of our energy so that when we go into stress, it doesn't cause a headache, digestive issues, cardiovascular issues, because stress is responsible or the root cause of about 90% of all illness. And this is incredible to Western science because how can an emotional energy or emotional activity like stress have such a physical and physiological impact? And that's what it does. And we've been talking about this for thousands of years in Chinese medicine, but it's more recent that Western medicine is talking about what stress and how stress is so detrimental to your health. And so in Chinese medicine, we're going to look at the root cause. Stress is the root cause of most illnesses. So if we can transform stress, you are preventing problems from arising before they actually manifest physically in your physiology.
We hope you enjoyed this short excerpt from the Health and Healing Club. This entire video, including an in-depth discussion and thoughtful and inspiring questions and answers, is available inside the Health and Healing Club, along with hundreds of hours of premium and exclusive life-changing content, practices, and holistic, natural, and integrative solutions for health and healing. You can start your free trial today at healthandhealingclub.com.